So in this video we will see how to make ladies finger grilling in a sandwich maker. So we will see grilling of bhindi. Okay, so this is the bhindi with masala. We have put some salt and chaat masala to this bhindi, and the griller is hot now. You can see the power is switched on and it is ready to be cooked. It is working on a AC power supply. So you can just open the grill. You can just open the grill like this and then just start putting the bhindi, I mean the lady's finger, completely as it is, with salt and chaat masala or any required masala like this. You can fill in and then stuff inside the bhindi and just start grilling it on a sandwich maker. So this is what the bhindi looks like. So this is how it will be on the grilling pan. So the grilling pan is very hot. So you can see all the bhindis which are stuffed with some masalas or some chaat masala and also salt is put on a grilling pan. So it's a very nice griller. It is a Havells jumbo size griller, sandwich maker, which is multi-purpose griller for vegetables, tikkas, sandwiches. You can also pour in some oil on top of this bhindi or lady's finger so that it will taste good. So the extra oil will be collected in this tray over here. So whatever extra oil comes out will be collected in this tray so that you are sure that the food doesn't have much oil in the food. So now the grilling pan, you can close it with the handle as given here. Don't touch the steel portion of the body of the griller. Just touch the black portion, the plastic portion of the griller. It will not be hot there. There is also a lock given here. Lock. So you just move up, it will get unlocked, and you move it down, it gets locked. So if it gets locked, you cannot lift the handle. So you can see that the griller is on its very high temperature. This is the controller. So you can see there is an on button and a maximum. So it is on a maximum now. It's like 2000 watts. So it requires a bit high current. This is on a big switch with a ground pin. There are 3 pins for this plug. So this is how we are grilling the bhindi, the lady's finger. It will be very tasty eating it. So you can see the grilled bhindis or the lady's fingers, which looks very delicious. You can just take this off and just start eating it directly. It's so nice. Thank you.